Welcome to Sad Educare. We are starting Cambridge Primary Mathematics Workbook 3, Unit 6, Question 6. Number 6. Draw equivalent fractions to match the ones to the left. Use 5th and 10th. Look, first we have to understand equivalent fraction. Number A, here is a circle, half part not colored and half part colored. Okay, so this one we can say 1/2. It means one part color. Similar thing here, 1/2. If we want to make equivalent tenth, it means here is 2, so 2 times 5 it become 10. Similar, 1 times 5, it means this 5 we are multiplying this fraction, it means numerator and denominator we are multiplying by 5, so 1 times 5 also 5. Now 1/2 and 5/10 is a similar thing. So how can we draw this one? Like this is half, okay, and now we will start like this one, so we can need more perfect. Suppose this one, then this one, so 1 2 3 1 2 3, so till we need something. Once you make by pen and pencil, it will looking more nice. 1 2 3 4, so till we can make this one. Now look, here is 1 2 3 4 5, right? Again 1 2 3 4 5. So we can make color like this way. This way, it means this is also 5/10, or we can say this is 1/2. So this picture and this picture similar. Okay, now one whole. How? Again we can draw this one like this one, this 1 2 3 4, so we can inside suppose another one like this one, so we can copy this one, otherwise several times we need to draw this one. Okay, now look, this is once we make whole, because here everything is colored, but how it's happened? First we have to make equivalent fraction. Here is a one whole, it means look 10/10, or we say 5/5, it will become 1. 10 divided 10 is a 1, 5 divided 5 is a 1. So once we use 5th or 10th, whole is colored. Now here is a 2/5, it means here is a 1 2 3 4 5 part, 2 part are colored, it means 2/5. So similar thing, 2/5 equals to, we can write suppose 5 times 2, it means 2 times 2, then 4/10. It means if we draw like this, now here is a 10 part, we will draw just 4 part. Suppose 1 2 3 and 4 part. This is called what? This is 4/10. Okay, very simple. Similar, here is a 8/10. 8/10 means what? 8/10, here is a 10 part and 8 part is already colored. So similar thing we can write like, look, 8 divide 10, this 8 we can divide by 2, so we will get 5. Again this 10 we can divide by 2, we will get 5. Or very simple thing, 8 can be divided by 2, 10 can be divided by 2, then we will get 8 divided 2 is a 4 and 10 divided 2 is a 5. So smart thing, we will make a square, we will make a circle, this is a circle, and then look, this is a 1, 2 and 3 part. Now like this way, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 part, and we will draw 4 part. So how? Like this way. This way we can draw. So here is a 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I don't know my explanation is okay or not, but I am trying to deliver my way. So 8 by 10 or 4 by 5 is a similar thing. So this picture and this picture are same. Okay, now look, write the fraction here. This picture, look, 1, 2, 3 part. So here 3 part, a circle, 1 part is colored, it means 1 divided 3. Similar, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 part, 1 part colored, so 1 divide 5. Here is a circle where is 4 part, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 part already colored, so 3 by 4. Similar, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This circle has 5 part and 2 part already colored, so 2 by 5, right? And finally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 and 5 part is colored, so it will be 5 by 10. Very simple. Write the fractions. Now draw this fraction. So we have to draw this one, 2 by 4. So how we can draw this one? First we have to find a circle. Look, I already draw all the circle. Now our target 2 by 4. It means this circle has 4 part. This one and this one. Here is a 4 part, and it 2 means we will mark 2 color. Okay, this is very simple. Done. Next, 2 by 3. So this circle has 3 part. How can we draw this one? Like this is half and this is again half. So 1, 2, 3 part. So 2 part colored. 2 by 3. So 2 part color. Very simple. Now here is a 4 by 5. So 4 by 5 we can draw like, first we have to draw 5 part. How? 1, here this one and this one. So 1, 2, 3. Here is a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 again here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we will mark 4 part. So like this way. Okay, 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is means 4 by 5. And here is 8 by 10. 8 by 10 we can no, till we didn't draw this one. So how can we make 10? This is, we can make 10 like in previous we did. So first this half, again half, again half. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again half. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here till we can make another one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here is a 8 part we will make shade. So first here we are shading 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, very simple. And here is 1 by 2. What does mean? It means it's a half. And we will draw like this way. It's a very interesting question, and I hope it's also a very important question for examination. You will face these kinds of question, I damn sure. So don't neglect these types of question. So number 6 and 7 done. No more today. Next video we will start question 8 and 9, which is the last part of this section. Till then, take care, keep practice, and don't forget subscribe the channel. Thank you.